This intro is taking like 20 minutes and I can't get up. What is going on with my hands? Hi guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be on this makeup look that I'm currently wearing right now. It's just a very smoky, just like neutral toned makeup look. It's like an everyday or a date night or whatever you guys want to do. I wear this on a daily basis, but it might be a little too much for you on a daily basis. But I've been doing a lot of like colorful and crazy looks, so I wanted to do just like a more neutral glam look. So if you guys are interested on learning about this tutorial, then you guys can go ahead and keep on watching. And I just want to give a little disclaimer. I'm sorry if you hear all these background noises. The heat is broken in my house currently, and it's like 15 degrees outside, so we have portable heaters all around my makeup room right now, so your girl is cold. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. I'm starting off today doing my brows, which I normally never do, but I'm using my Benefit Brow Pomade, and I'm in the color number 2. I pretty much just alternate between 2 and 3. I'm done drying on my brows, so I'm using this 24-hour brow setter, which is also from Benefit. And I have really hairy brows already, so this just keeps them in place. So my eyebrows are on, and now I'm going to prime my eyelids because I'm going to do my eye makeup before I do my face makeup. So I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to prime my eyelids today. I'm sorry that I look like such a crazy person. I haven't got much sleep in the last 2 nights, so my eyes are super purple underneath, as you guys can tell. I'm just grabbing this yellow banana shade from the Katvond Shade and Light palette, and I'm setting that Shape Tape Concealer. For today's look, I'm going to be bringing out my Anastasia Master palette by Mario, which I absolutely love. I feel like a lot of people just kind of stopped using this palette or just stopped doing tutorials in general with this palette, so that is why I'm breaking that out today. So the first color I'm going to use for my transition shade is called Lula, which is this one right here in the corner. And I'm kind of extending it out a little bit more right here because I am going to cut that with some concealer. So it doesn't matter if it's super messy right there on the outer edges. And in case you guys are wondering, this is my Morphe R37 brush. On my Morphe M433, I'm going to take this Isabel shade right here in my transition area as well. Now taking the color Violetta, I'm going to place that on my outer corner and just kind of smoke it out and do more of a V shape right here. So right now I'm just kind of packing that onto the outer corner and smoking it out. I'm now taking this concealer brush from Sigma. It is my F70 brush, and I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape once again and just put a little on the inner corners so I can cut those out and carve them. Right where you guys see the concealer in the outer corner meet, I'm going to take the color Muse and just pack that on, which will help kind of blend the 2 shades together and give me a better transition for the lid shade. I'm taking a little bit more of that Violetta shade and deepening up that outer corner even more to blend those 2 shades together. I know this looks a little crazy, so just bear with me guys, but I'm going to take the color Marina, which is the lightest shade right here. It's a really pretty cool toned pink, and I'm going to take that all over the rest of my lid. I'm cleaning up the eyeshadow a little bit just using a makeup wipe real quick. And then I kind of want to deepen up the outer corner even more, so I'm going to take a skinnier brush. This is my Morphe M506, and I'm going to take that same Violetta shade and just kind of carve it out a little bit more right there. For lashes today, I'm using my Pure Pro lashes, and these are in the style Bombshell. Moving right along to the face, I'm using my firstaidbeauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. Go figure, I use this literally every day. chapstick because my lips hurt really, really bad. For foundation, I'm mixing my Marc Jacobs Coconut Dew Me Drops and then my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. I'm in the color Light Natural 09 in this. So I'm just going to take two drip drops. And apparently a lot of the Marc Jacobs drops, but that's okay. The glowier, the better. And I'm using my beauty blender to blend those in. For concealer today, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is the color Fair Warm. And again, using the beauty blender to blend that in. I'm going to cream contour today, so I'm using my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contouring Palette, and I like to use these two shades right here. I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Glow Stick, and my favorite way to apply this is, where is it? With grabbing a brush that just looks like this. It's pretty flat, but it is really fluffy, and I take a little bit on that brush and just kind of pat it into the skin. Now I am setting my concealer, and I'm using my No. 7 translucent powder. Alright, I'm going to bronze up my cheekbones real quick, and I'm using this Urban Decay Beach Bronzer, and this is in the color Sunkissed. This is so pretty. I'm taking this Becca blush in the color Camellia, and I'm placing that on my cheeks. I'm now taking the color Forever Young from the Anastasia Nicoleguerriero Glow Kit. I'm using that as my highlight today. Corner in my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take the color Forever Lit from that same highlighting palette. So I'm finishing up the rest of my eyes, and I'm going to take the color Lula and just smoke out my lower lashes. I'm going to take that same Essence Lash Princess mascara and coat my lower lashes. Everything is done now except for the lips, so I'm going to line them using the iluvsarahii Colourpop collection. And this is in the color 951. I'm going to use my two favorite Anastasia liquid lipsticks today. One of them's in the color Pure Hollywood, which is the first one I'm putting on, and then the second is color Milkshake. So this is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and how it turned out. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else with this palette or with any other eyeshadow palette specifically. I've been doing a lot of looks just revolved around eyeshadow palettes that you guys have been requesting, and I've been really liking them, so keep giving me those requests and I'll keep pushing out those videos for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!